you guys will see some close-ups of the phone itself, and then you can make your own impressions. You see that there are all these colors coming without the cover. You can change really easy.
Let me show you, if you want, I can show you quickly a couple of really cool features that are in the Windows Phone platform, if you don't mind.
Yeah, we want.
So this is what I'll do. I'll spend a little time on my favorite thing. And this is the ability to improve your social networking in a way that minimizes it helps improve the filtering out of unwanted stuff. I have like 250 Facebook connections in my Facebook account, but I only care about 10 of them. So I only want to see. So I see those stupid notifications. This person has just found this game, and wants you to. I hate it too. So what you can do is, let me tilt it so that you can see on the screen. You can go to your People's Hub, and if you press the plus key here, and you can create a new group. From here, you can add contacts. So I'm just going to randomly pick some people. I'll just pick another one here, add a contact. I can even filter by, so I'm picking a few people here. I'm just going to pick 6 in total just to give a...
Guys, you did cool things. Microsoft did some cool things for the OS, I'm sorry.
I know. Isn't that cool? So I've got some people set up here, and there's 5 in total. Actually, that one doesn't have a picture in there, but let's just keep going. So this group is now, it's unnamed right now, so I can actually edit it and give it a name. So I'll call it like friends from school, let's say, okay? And notice how it corrects my spelling when I have it wrong. So that's the group. And then what I can do, I hit the back key, and I can see that little icon there. It looks like a pin.
Yeah.
I pin it, and it drops it at the very bottom of my contacts list. Of my home screen. And when I select the group, I can see all the updates from from these people, without having to go through my Facebook. I can see the consolidated view of their updates. Because the network performance is slow, what I'll do is I'll go to a group that I'm actively using right now. This here is my best friends group. And so I can scroll across, see all the new things that they have. I can comment in here very easily. I can see their pictures. Let's say
Is this one of the reasons Microsoft and Facebook work that close together?
I can only guess that that's the case. I mean, the integration of Facebook is second to none. It really is so powerful here.
I see that, yeah, I can agree.
And so once you see their pictures, you can actually, let me go back to an example here. Philip Moffat, a friend of mine here, he put a picture of CES yesterday, and you can see, you'll see comments from people in the picture right below the screen there. So, okay, so that's half of the fun. Now, taking that to the next level, what I can also do, let's say taking a business approach here. Let's say I have 10 people reporting to me, or a group of 10 people that I work with. I need to set up a meeting real quick. Right now, I need everyone to get together. I can send an email to 10 people, or I can ask my admin to get everyone together, or I can text all these people. I press this, and all the people show up in the text-to-go box.
Okay.
I could do the same with send email to everyone. I'll use my Outlook account. All those names are in my to list. So that way, I've got my distribution groups set up, ready to go for text, for email, and I can also see all their Facebook, their Twitter, and their LinkedIn updates. So I mean, yeah, I spend a little bit of time on this social networking, but it's so cool. You once you start using it, you can't go to any other platform because it's that powerful.
Actually, it's really true. I didn't see it that way before. So tell me about, is there something like a marketplace or an app store?
Yeah, good question. So yes, there absolutely is. If I go to the marketplace here, it's this icon here. And what's unique about this is it allows not just the Microsoft Marketplace to coexist, but also the Nokia collection, as well as the AT&T. In my case, I'm an AT&T user. I know that we've partnered with T-Mobile today, but this is a global phone where you can put any SIM card in, and if there's an operator account, they will basically put the operator that's pertaining to the SIM card you have. So here you go to applications. You can search. It's because of the network here. The example, what I'll do is I'll just stay at this high level. There's some promoted applications here. There's some games which is integrated with Xbox Live, so if you have an Xbox Live account, you can actually earn points on your phone as well as on your Xbox console. You can actually, there's an application you can download where you can control your Xbox from here. You can play games across both platforms. It's really quite amazing, the integration from Xbox to your smartphone and how you can socially interact with your connections. It's pretty powerful. Together with that, there is the Xbox Live application where you can compete with friends for points and for scores. You can install these games, and all the Xbox games you can earn points and you know, compare those things to everyone else. So a great collection of Xbox games. You know, I actually find that I kill a lot of time playing these games, and you know, if a lot of my friends will see the activity on their end, because you can see your you can change you have an avatar, you have profile, you can see your achievements, you can compare with your friends. So all these friends I have in here, you can see when they last played, what you can select a particular one. It'll show you what they were playing. I can even compare whatever games that we have in common. It will show what our scores are, so we can see what levels we've achieved and that kind of thing. So that's pretty cool too. And another point I want to make about the application store. When we announced our partnership with Microsoft, there were about 7,000 to 8,000 applications on the store, which, you know, is very small compared to Apple and Google. So in the 10 to 11 months since our announcement, the growth in that marketplace has exploded from the 7,000 to 8,000 to where we are today at 50,000. Wow. We're getting 350 new submissions every day, which is helping grow, you know, 1,000, 2,000 a week now in terms of growth. So it's no longer about number of apps, it's about the content and the quality. And we're doing a lot with developers, partnering with them to make sure that the applications that we're trying to introduce to Windows Phone are actually not just equal, but better. We're working with them to say, how can we optimize it for the Windows experience? And so we've done some really great things with ESPN and CNN. So if you go to ESPN, US relevant content. If you're in Europe, you get European relevant content. The depth of integration here is deeper than anywhere else. It doesn't tie you straight to the website like you'll see on the applications that are on the Android and the Apple application. This is basically, once it's loaded here, if you give it a moment, this is connecting to the network right now, which is why it's taking too long to, I hope you can crop this out of the video.
Yeah, we can.
So let's go back. I don't know if you just saw that, but I press and hold the back key for multitasking, so I can see. So you can see the different applications that I have running or that I've been running in the background.
So my impression about you is you got quite happy about this switch from Symbian to the Windows Phone.
Well, I don't want to belittle Symbian, because I actually think that Symbian has done a lot of great things.
Yeah,
and the new Symbian Bell is actually extremely competitive with Android, and the features that you can do there are really, you know, really quite impressive. Yes, on the other hand, I am very pleased to see Windows Phone here on our products today, because it is an easy to use platform. It's so easy to set up. It's the Metro UI that you see on Windows, on the Windows PC environment. In Windows 8 you see it on the Xbox, so this Metro UI is very clean. You can customize it easily. You know, you can move icons around the way you want it. The tiles are interactive. And also, if you have, like, let's say 200 applications, which I've seen some Apple users and Android users have that many, you press the search box and you can just type in the letter of the app and it filters them out. So again, it helps that ease of use, easy to find your way around. And you know what, with the Internet Explorer 9, the best-in-class mobile browser, it's really hard to beat that. And in fact, the browser itself has inbuilt hardware acceleration.
Yeah, I read that.
So this is very impressive. When you compare the browsers with the other platforms, it's so lightning fast, and it can do so many things at once. It makes showing content on your browser so much more of an impressive experience.
Okay, Jason, you got us, we buy it. Yeah, no, it's really cool. I really have to admit this. I think there's a big chance for Nokia to getting back on track with it.
Yes, thank you very much. We look forward to introducing these products to the markets, and we're happy to have you guys here in the show today, and hope your viewers enjoyed the quick demo.
Okay, thanks a lot, Jason.
All right, thank you.
Have a nice time. Goodbye. So guys, I'm really excited and impressed about what Jason shot it into me. I have to clean my mind first. Anyway, it's a cool device. I like it. I'm Bernd. You're here at GIGA. See you next time. Bye-bye.